more squishies here.
Sedona Veronika TV. Yeah! Hey guys, it's me Sedona. Today we're in San Diego, and today we're at Tokyo Central and Maine. And Sanrio surprises! Oh! Yeah, I'm so excited. And thank you, Addie, for telling us about this.
Let's go in. We are so excited.
They have fidget spinners.
They do?
Yeah, see?
For slime?
Yeah. Some of these have polyvinyl alcohol.
You're smart. Oh! Oh my goodness.
Look at this fidget spinner.
Why does it look like a frog to me for some reason?
Because it's green. Oh, Mama. We're definitely going to buy this for Tim. So cute.
Let him choose. Maybe he will choose something.
It's
here.
like a squishy.
They have most of these squishies in Tokyo World.
Oh my god. Were you looking at the same one?
Yeah. Nope.
It's just like that.
Cute. And what's that thing over there?
There's a Millie the Whale. The whale.
What's this? Oh, that is so cute.
Is it so soft?
Wow.
Let's go give this.
And look at this one. That's kind of pricey, isn't it? Wait.
Oh my gosh, they have another Millie the Whale.
I know, pick one pick the softest one. And look what's over here. Ooh. Is this the crackling one? Or what do you call them? The snap one?
It is.
I don't think so. I like it. We don't have that one yet.
This one isn't that slow rising.
No?
Oh wait, it is.
It is. It's cute. Put it in the thinking trolley. Pick a soft one. Okay, what else?
Mama, I'm gonna just get that one. Even though I don't think it's soft. Oh, we should buy this for
We already have that.
Is it soft?
Yeah. It is.
Okay, I'm gonna go get the egg.
You're gonna be late to class. They have so many keychains, I think, of these little cute animals. All these keychains, are these keychains?
No, they have more. Oh, look at them.
They are so cute. Oh,
You can buy that one.
they are so cute. I already love this store.
Me too. But do they have any slimes here?
I hope, you know what? Be patient. We'll look around and we'll look at everything, okay? He's holding a little umbrella.
Oh, wow.
They are so adorable. And what is this? Is this a hamster? It's so cute.
So cute.
Oh, look at this puppy. I think these are huskies. Oh, that's a cat.
Oh. Mama, look.
It's not silicone? No. Okay.
It's so cute.
Oh my god. That is so funny. Oh, Gudetama.
I'm gonna buy you one, Mama.
Wait. They're kind of squishy.
Hey, look at this Gudetama.
Sorry.
This Gudetama is so cute.
It is.
I mean Gudetama, not Gudetama.
Maybe just once.
Mama,
Yeah.
how cute he is.
Yeah?
Look, Timmy. Look at how much.
Look at this. This goes all the way to the ceiling.
Oh, look at it.
Oh.
It's a chinchilla.
Is it?
It's a chinchilla.
It's so cute.
It's a chinchilla.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Oh
it
my
is
gosh.
very cute. Relakuma, yeah.
And this is a relicuma. Relicuma, a relicuma.
Is
Because
it?
a relicuma means a girl and relicuma means a boy. That's so cute.
Don't show him. Don't see.
Did you find what you came for? Do they have squishies?
Yeah. It's so cute. That is adorable. Show me his face. Or her. Oh, he's so chubby.
Oh my gosh.
Everything is cute here.
Yeah, cause
Oh.
look at that. And look at those pigs and look at these
And this squirrel.
squirrels. This ear should stick out.
Uh-huh. And look, they have more squishies. They have the sushi here.
Oh, look at that one.
What's this? I saw something weird. Oh, that's a pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple. That's okay. That's so soft. Oh my gosh, no, this one's dense and this one's soft. Oh my gosh, no, I'm squish both of them at the same time.
I know. Yeah,
So
this
weird.
one is. Oh, that's only $3.99. Oh, that's a squish bear. It is. And what's this one up there? Are they rabbits too, or what is it?
Yes!
Here.
Oh!
Is that a
Oh,
rabbit?
They're pugs!
Guys, they have so much cute stuff here. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? This is crazy. Look at these hamsters. Sedonko, look down there. That's the cutest thing. Oh, look at his face or her face.
I want all of them. They're actually squirrels.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh, look at that Rilakuma pencil cases. And some other Rilakuma things. Here is Hello Kitty. More Hello Kitty things.
Those are so cute.
More Hello Kitty things.
What? Are those fun?
Hello Kitty. No, pencil sharpeners. Ice cream towel.
What?
Oh, that's funny.
Wait, there's a towel inside here?
Oh.
Wow.
More squishies here. We have this one. It has a crooked face, the one we got in Tokyo World. We will get to it, okay? Let's just walk around the store. Oh look, here is the silicone mold. I think over there.
Oh, look at these. Look at these.
Are these silicone molds?
Yeah, these ones are
Yeah,
silicone.
but no, that's not what I wanted.
You want these ones?
No, I wanted cute, like bears, real Akuma kind of thing, or some kawaii faces. What's this? Is that a prank?
What?
This. Oops. Oh, that's a door stopper. It's a magnet.
Cute. No, they're not magnets.
It says here.
Well, this one's not a magnet. Oh yeah, there is a magnet.
It is. Squishy magnet.
This one. One of the gold Stella.
Oh look, or this one. This store is so huge, guys. They have so many things.
Yeah, we can't even get through it.
I don't think we'll be even able to see everything here because we have to go soon.
Is this a face mask?
I don't know.
It smells so good. What is it?
Something smells amazing here. Is it an air freshener? Don't touch it, sweetie.
Oh,
I think that's an air
I touched
freshener.
it. See?
That smells really good, actually. Oh.
This is so huge.
Uh-huh.
Yo,
That's cool.
my hand is wet.
Yeah.
Touch it. Oh my gosh, it's like a salt.
Oh, it's yeah, I had one of these crystal lamps. It's a Himalayan salt thingy.
No wonder San Diego is so cute.
Oh, you're funny. That's cool.
Look, what is this?
What is
this? Blue?
Oh, diffuser.
So there's a peaceful sleep banana, and this is a.
That looks like a moon.
No, oh, sorry, it's a moon. And this is peppermint. They have a giant Gudetama.
Oh yeah, they do. They have costumes here. They have more plushies here.
Mom, look, they have the fishnet.
Uh-huh.
We can make the, what's it called? The stress ball.
Well, we don't need to buy it here for $5. Do you know you still have the hat on? No. But I can't really see what it looks like because it's crooked. Aw.
I like
Wait,
it.
your ear.
Mama, look at this. Look at the giraffe.
It is cute. Japanese anime section here. Oh my goodness. So much stuff. They have mochis here. Look, they have a spit cake. Do you want it?
Spit cake?
Spit.
So they spit in it?
It's made of spit. No, I don't know.
No, this one's made out of sweat. Look.
And this one is sweat. That's funny. Crabs. You want to eat crab?
Put that back. Pocky?
This is a dry ice cream. Up strawberry.
Look at this one.
Yeah, I see.
Banana flavored. Mommy, look, save 16 cents. So.
I see. Yeah, that's how you grab them. But you don't do that, sweetie. Don't do that. Don't do this. Sedona, I told you not to do it. Stop. Oh, these look interesting. Oh, they have. Don't you want to just try everything? Don't you want to be shut in here overnight and just try everything?
It's an egg cookie?
Mm-hmm.
It's an egg cookie.
Egg cookie? That's what it is. Okay. I don't know. I never had it before,
It's
sweetie.
probably made out of eggs.
Cool. We have this one, right? Yeah. And similar to that one too. Cool.
Bye guys! Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, and guys, if you want to be part of the Sloth Squad, make sure you subscribe to my channel because and we're so close to 100,000. Oh my gosh.
I know.
Mom, come on the camera.
Hi guys. We really love this store. It's so fun. If you have ever been here,
it's so
comment down
hard.
below.
It's
yeah.
so hard to
I know we had to leave so many cute things, but we are so grateful we could get all the other amazing things we got. So yeah, thank you for watching.
And guess what?
We love you.
Yesterday at the amusement park, I saw two girls really happy and they were looking at me. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I think they were like one of my Sloth Squad.
Yeah.
They were so cute.
Oh yeah. This is it. We might do a haul in a little bit.